Hello, traders. FS here. Today is Friday, August 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this is like a big 1, 2, 3. We are at a Fibonacci extension level right here, but I'm not really convinced this is actually over. I think it's going to continue the uptrend, probably all the way up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is an A, B, C, or B, probably someplace around the 203 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we are at a Fibonacci extension level, but that doesn't really necessarily mean that anything is over. I do think that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is why I would not be surprised if we did make a bigger correction that did take out structure before we ended up continuing the uptrend. But we definitely don't know that that's what's going to happen, and it very easily could make it just another small correction, break out of this 78%, and just keep on going up. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last move up. Like I said, this very easily could be just a correction to this last wave, and if it is, it will go down to a fib level, bounce off a fib level, and just keep on going up. If it turns out that it's a correction to the whole trend, then it will eventually go down and break the low of wave 4, maybe something like this, before it goes up. So I do think we're in an ABC correction. It's just a matter of whether it's a big ABC that breaks the low of wave 4, or whether it's a small ABC that only is a correction to the wave 5. So going down to the shorter time frames, I mean, so far we're still making lower lows, lower highs. It does kind of seem like we should go up and make a wave B at some point before we go down and make a wave C. I do expect to see 3 waves down, and if I do see 3 waves down to one of these fib levels, I will definitely take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, it could possibly turn into a much bigger correction and go down and take out this low, but we definitely do not know that to be true, and it very easily could just make a small correction to one of these fib levels and just keep on trending up from there. So taking it down to the shorter time frames, I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. If I see some sort of a 3-way pattern up and a pulsive move down, then I definitely will continue to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. It looks like we already got 3 ways up back here, so that's probably telling us that we should continue to look for lower highs, and entries to go short for the continuation of this bigger downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.